Assembly attention. Standies. Attention.
Good morning to all. Today is the assembly of my class 7th B and my name is Vishnudev and it is my responsibility of this assembly to Angari. Today is February 2 World Wetlands Day and first for the prayer I invite Devika.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
Thank you, Devika. Now, the pledge remembers us the duty to our nation. And for the pledge, I invite Karthik G.
Assembly attention. Standies. Attention.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my teachers, parents and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and my people. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Karthik. Now, Kessia is coming with thought of the day. Let's hear her.
Good morning. I am KCT Jose from 7th B. Thought for the day. First, if you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody. But if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. Second, dream, dream, dream. Dream transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. Thank you.
Thank you, Kessia. Now, I am inviting Parvati for reading the news of today.
Good morning to all. My name is Parvati. Today, February 2nd, World Wetlands Day. News. Kerala on Monday recorded 42,154 new COVID-19 cases with a test positivity rate of 42.2%. The state also reported 10 death cases. About 19% of India's adult population has received the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. School in West Bengal to reopen for classes 8 to 12. Karnataka COVID-19 trapped over 24,000 new cases. Anti-Indian protest. New Maldives plan new law to curb unrest. In China, facing the northern and eastern commands to get new chiefs today.
Thank you, Parvati. Next, Jobian Tangam is coming with the World Wetlands Day quiz.
I am Jobian Tangam. Today is World Wetlands Day. Loga Tannirthada Dinam. A quiz related to this day. Question number 1. Since when has Wetlands Day been observed globally? എന്നു മുതലാണ് ആഗോളതലത്തിൽ തണ്ണീർത്തട ദിനം ആചരിക്കാൻ തുടങ്ങിയത്? Answer. Since February 2nd, 1997. 1997 ഫെബ്രുവരി 2 മുതൽ. Question number 2. Which is the continent where no wetlands are found? തണ്ണീർത്തടങ്ങൾ കാണപ്പെടാത്ത വൻകര ഏത്? Answer. Antarctica. Question number 3. What do scientists call the kidneys of the earth? ഭൂമിയുടെ വൃക്കകൾ എന്ന് ശാസ്ത്രജ്ഞർ വിശേഷിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് എന്തിനെയാണ്? Answer. Wetlands. തണ്ണീർത്തടങ്ങൾ. Question number 4. Where was the Convention for the Protection of Wetlands held? തണ്ണീർത്തടങ്ങളുടെ സംരക്ഷണത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയുള്ള ആദ്യത്തെ കൺവെൻഷൻ നടന്നതെവിടെ? ആൻസർ റാംസർ ഇൻ ഇറാൻ. ഇറാനിലെ റാംസറിൽ. Question number 5. What are the recognized wetlands in Kerala? കേരളത്തിലെ അംഗീകൃത തണ്ണീർത്തടങ്ങൾ ഏതെല്ലാം? ആൻസർ അഷ്ടമുടി ബാക്ക് വാട്ടേഴ്സ്, ശാസ്താംകോട്ട ബാക്ക് വാട്ടേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് വേമ്പനാട് കോൾ ലാൻഡ്സ്. അഷ്ടമുടി കായൽ, ശാസ്താംകോട്ട കായൽ, വേമ്പനാട്ട് കോൾ നിലങ്ങൾ. Question number 6. How many countries in the Ramsar Agreement signed? റാംസർ ഉടമ്പടിയിൽ എത്ര രാജ്യങ്ങൾ ഒപ്പുവെച്ചു? ആൻസർ 169, 169. Question number 7. By what name are the wetlands protected by international cooperation? അന്താരാഷ്ട്ര സഹകരണത്തോടു കൂടി സംരക്ഷിക്കപ്പെടുന്ന തണ്ണീർത്തടങ്ങൾ ഏത് പേരിൽ അറിയപ്പെടുന്നു? ആൻസർ റാംസർ സൈറ്റ്സ്, റാംസർ സൈറ്റുകൾ. താങ്ക് യു.
Thank you, Joby. Now I invite Pavitra Unnikrishnan for the speech of World Wetlands Day.
Very good morning to my dear teachers and friends. I am Pavitra Unnikrishnan. Today is 2nd February 2022, the World Wetlands Day. The World Wetlands Day is celebrated annually on 2nd February. The aims to raise the global awareness about the vital role of the wetlands for people and planet. This day is also marks the date of the adoption of the Convention on Wetlands on February 2nd, 1971 in Iran city of Ramsar. The theme for 2022 Wetlands Action for People and Nature. The public campaign is an appeal to invest financial, human, political capital to save the world wetland from disappearing and to restore those that have been degraded. Save the wetlands as the future of the earth depends on it. Wetlands are beautiful parts of our ecosystem and we should take care of the wetlands. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Pavitra. Let's conclude today's 7th B's assembly with this national anthem of Devika. I invite Devika for the national anthem.
Assembly attention.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय